Welcome to Understand the Math. I'm going to show you exactly how to verify this trig identity. In this problem, both the left-hand side and the right-hand side look equally complicated. For this one, we could either work on the left-hand side first or work on the right-hand side first, and it's not really going to matter. I'm going to choose to work on the right-hand side first. On the left-hand side, we only have cotangent, and on the right-hand side, we have tangent, cosecant, and cotangent. So let's go ahead and let's write tangent in terms of cotangent and cosecant squared in terms of cotangent squared. Tangent x is equal to 1 divided by cotangent x, and we know that cosecant squared x is 1 plus cotangent squared x. Let's plug both of these in. So tangent is 1 divided by cotangent x. And instead of adding cosecant squared, we're going to add 1 plus cotangent squared x. And then we subtract cotangent squared x. So these two terms cancel. Let's now notice that our left-hand side has one term. So let's get a common denominator on our right-hand side so it can also have one term. So our common denominator is cotangent x, and that leaves us 1 plus our 1 here gets multiplied by cotangent x over cotangent x. So that's cotangent x. And we see that our right-hand side now looks like our left-hand side. For practice, you may want to start with the left-hand side and see if you can get it to match up with the right-hand side.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.